Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a bulb or whole turn signal socket on a 98 through 02 Camaro with this style of bumper, and what we're talking about this guy. So it's kind of a pain to get to, but it's definitely doable. So in our situation we're gonna be replacing the actual full socket because ours is bad. This is the part number. I think it's like 10 bucks at AutoZone or something like that, or 12 bucks, I don't really remember. All right, let's get some light in here so I can see how to, so I can show you how to get it easy. So I got somewhat light going on there. Put my headlamp switch in there. So I mean, some people do it by removing the headlight and assembly, and it's usually a bunch of pain in the ass, and if the car is old, things gonna break. The way I like to do it is to kind of get your hand in there, find it, and then you have to press on the tab and turn it. So the tab is gonna be like right over there, and you gotta press and turn. So this is what the tab looks like. So you gotta press on that and turn it to pull it out. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get that done right now, and then I'll show you the result. Alright, so once you cut them down to the proper length, I like to put a crimp. So whatever those butt connectors, whatever they wanna call them, so put a crimp them, and once you pre-crimp them, so this is those actually came with a little head shrink, so need more room. Get the little side micro bulb off too, or whatever it is, the one right next to it pretty much, so that way you have a little bit more room to work over here. And if you notice, they're labeled ABG, and then the new one's also labeled ABG. So what you do when you cut it, just make sure you get a little bit of wire left so you can see which color is what letter. And that's it, as simple as that. So let's get our cutter real quick. Alright, so here's our cutter. Just gonna snip them right here. So they can see G is gray, B is brown, A is blue. In case if you need it for reference. Now we just gotta get our little wires going. There you go. By the way, if you see stuff dripping, no, I'm not working in the rain. Honestly, it's my sweat. It is 111 degrees right now. A little warm, so I'm sweating. But that's okay. Anything for you guys. Alright, so first we're gonna connect our G, which is gonna be our gray. Okay, once we did the G, we're gonna do the B, which is brown. And hopefully I'm not colorblind, because then I'm gonna get you guys fucking run around and be like, man, some Russian dude told me to do it and my shit burned down. Ah, come on now. Get in there. There it goes. Okay, so an A as our blue one. Alright. Let's throw the bulb in. Let's see. You'll hear a weird sound. That's just my intercooler. Feel it like oh, that was not by the plan. Alright, let's see if I can maneuver that. Come here, you son. There it goes. Alright. So now, let's get the keys and see if it works. Well, that looks like a success. So now we just gotta stick it all back in and we'll be good to go. And again, to install it back up, just put in, twist, lock. So this is actually how it's gonna go in. Put in, and then snap. Now our cable is a little bit longer, so it will be good. But first we're gonna work this fancy heat shrink, hopefully without burning those old ass wires. Alright, all done. Let's put it in. Alright, so now we're gonna maneuver it in. Just gotta find a hole and get it in the hole. I feel like I've heard that before somewhere. Don't know where. Snap. Second option, you can go the proper way. I do not usually suggest that just because with older cars the tab's gonna get broken. Ask me how I know. So the actual way of doing it is get your bulbs out. And there's a couple different ways of doing it, but this is the way I like it. So there's a 10 mil over here. So we just get the 10 mil off. Once the 10 mil is off, there's plastic tabs over here, as you can see, and the headlight slides into them. So you're gonna have to push that direction to get them out. But again, you can break the tabs because they get brittle with older, higher mileage cars. And mine is not, for example, not even that high of a mileage, and it got broken. And then you get the headlight out. And since we already did it, this is kind of like mine's already all installed. But yeah, this is literally how you gotta get with your hand underneath there and just click it in. And this is how it clicks off. Fairly simple. Here's the carnage of the old one. Cool. Alright guys, hopefully this video was helpful. And all the wetness you see, that's not licks, that's just my sweat. Again, super hot outside. Alright guys, well hopefully this video helped you out. Take care and have a good day. That's the noise I've been referring to here. That's just liquid running through the intercooler. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, Laddie?